Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aquarius. For your general energies, Aquarius, we'll be picking few cards. If you want a more detailed love reading, Aquarius, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So these cards may relate to your career situation or your relationship, guys. So you have Three of Wands, Ace of Pentacles in reverse and Nine of Cups in reverse. So in your situation, Aquarius, it may be in your career situation or your relationship, you have successfully completed few things for yourself. You have achieved certain goals and you are ready to step into the next path, the next conquest, maybe next dream or whatever aspirations you have. So you are looking for that right opportunity, right ventures in your career, or if it is in your relationship, you are waiting for the right time to approach this person. Maybe you are interested in someone and you want to approach them and you are waiting for the right time. And this person you are interested in, guys, they are a very good person, honest, and they want a loyal person. Maybe they may find that loyal good person in you, guys. So this relationship may work, Aquarius. That is what I see. If you are single, if you are open to a new relationship, I see that this person is also open to your love, to this connection. So they are also interested in you, guys. That is what I see. They will be interested in you if you approach them. Maybe you are waiting for the right time to approach them, guys. And I also see that you are quite successful in your career. So whatever you do, you have accomplished well till now. But if you have that humility in your heart, you will reach even more greater heights in your life, guys. That is also what I see with these cards. So you have to be really humble in your situation, in your career, and in your personal life. So that is the reading, guys, Aquarius. If you want a more detailed love reading, stay tuned and watch that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So today we have this card, the first card, and this is your second card. So any questions or doubts you have in your mind about your situation, you can think about it and choose the card. Close your eyes and meditate for a few seconds in silence. Open your eyes and choose the card. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence with the first card, guys. Okay, guys, so I'll be starting with this card, the first card. So let's keep this card here. We will see what is the card. It's Obsidian. It is a Crystal Spirits Oracle card, guys. So this card just means that this crystal, it stands for knowing yourself. So we have to know ourselves first if we want to lead a meaningful life or have a meaningful connection. So are we all ready to learn from whatever we have experienced in our past? Maybe through those experiences we have learned so much, and we are always changing. Our behavior is changing, so we are a mix of the past, from that experience whatever we have learned, and present whatever we are going through today. And we have so many hopes and dreams for our future, so we are a mix of our past, present and future. So today what is right in front of us is that challenge to have that trust on ourselves first. So when we have that love for ourselves, we will know what we are, what are our strengths, what are our weakness, and we will understand ourselves first. Only when we understand ourselves, we will be able to understand the other person with whom we are in connection, guys. So we have to start with that self-awareness today. When we do that, we will know that qualities that we are searching for in a partner. Maybe do we have all those qualities? Maybe it has stopped existing in us. So we have to go for that clear knowledge of ourselves first. So this oracle card here is just a reminder that we are great just as we are, and we have to feel happy for what we are today, comfortable and confident in our own self, in our own qualities. That way we will be happy when we see those qualities in others, or we will feel happy for that person however they are. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So let's see what is the reading with the second card. It says, you who show the way. So with this card, it is an Rumi oracle card, guys. It just means that the appearance of this card itself, it is a sign telling us it is right now very difficult for us to understand our situation. No matter how hard we try to solve the problems we have, it is not getting resolved. So today the energy with this card is that, according to that grace of that higher power or universe, whatever you call it, you have to just be a witness to your situation. So you need not put in any efforts or try to resolve your situation. Things will fall into place automatically for you guys, because that divine guidance or that divine direction is there in your situation, and that resolution will happen by itself, and you will not know until it becomes a fact, but it is happening, it is in the process. So you need not worry, guys. So right now you feel something is impossible to resolve. You need not worry, because the divine power or the higher power is having it covered. So everything will be alright, guys. That is the message with this card. You just have to have that faith and hope in your situation. So when you have that faith and hope, that new dawn is here now, breaking for you right now, guys, very soon. So that is the energy with this card, guys, and that is the reading. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.